Hi, in this video I will show you how to make pearl sugar, a common topping used in specialty breads and cakes. Take cornstarch, add powdered sugar, make a well, add water, mix it in, and give it a little knead to hydrate everything well. Now, sprinkle your surface with more powdered sugar, place some dough on it, then roll the dough out, keeping in mind that this dough will crack and it's normal. Just patch it and make it as neat as you can. And now you cut it with a bench scraper into as large or small pieces as you want. When they're chopped, place them on a tray that has some parchment paper on it and take it to the oven with only the light on for about 24 hours. When the time is up, separate the pieces and it's done. You can sift this to get rid of the remaining powdered sugar. The beauty of making these yourself is that you can make flavored ones as well. Here's me making some orange ones with orange zest and juice. Another idea is making them with cinnamon as well as cocoa powder. Your creativity is the limit here. This is me using the plain version on my Italian Easter bread, which is called colomba. It bakes perfectly well without dissolving and it remains crunchy. But anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.